Hello and welcome to another Festive Calligraphy YouTube video. Today we're going to decorate some plates. So a nice little plate that I bought from Dunelm Mill for £2.50. I've made sure that it is a completely smooth surface to make it easier to write on. Ideally, I would love it if it was completely flat. I had like a little rim around the edge. I did see one, but unfortunately the rim was a different colour and I didn't want it to clash with the pen ink that I was going to use. Today I'm just going to use a Sharpie. So this is essentially purely decorative. You don't want to be eating off of this plate because you want to make sure if you're going to use ink that it's something you can eat off. So today I'm going to use the Sharpie. I do know that you can, once you've decorated this, put it in the oven at a low temperature for I think 20 minutes. You can also use porcelain pens, which would be probably better. So a porcelain pen, you can get a pack from lots of different places, and on those pens it actually gives you the information that you need to put it into the oven, so you can decorate anything with those pens. So again, we've got a plate, we've got our bronze metallic Sharpie, permanent marker, ideal, nice and simple. What I would probably do with this is I'd put some mince pies and a carrot, and maybe a little bit of Baileys for Santa, because my Santa likes Baileys and not whiskey or anything else, or certainly not milk. So we're going to put some just random Christmas phrases and just fit it in and have a bit of fun. So we're going to start off in the middle and then work all the way around. The first one we're going to do is believe. Okay, now I'm currently in two minds of whether I wanted to leave it monoline, so modern calligraphy with monoline, or I could go over it and I could do a little bit of faux calligraphy. I get the fear a little bit of faux calligraphy that I'm going to mess up, so we're going to see how it goes. Here's a little example of faux calligraphy so you can kind of see how it would look. So I could keep it like that. We're going to see how we go. I'm going to make sure there's enough ink in here. So believe, I'm really happy with how that looks, very pretty. And then we've got Noel. So maybe I'll fit Noel up here. Making sure that these areas are dry because I'm going to put my hand on them essentially. Don't want to be messing that up. Don't forget to add the two little dots here because you don't want to be writing Noel, which I have done in the past by accident. Okay, now we've got baby it's cold outside, so let's think about where we're going to put this. We want to kind of fill the white space as much as possible. Okay, I'm just going to slow down a little bit because you can see there my ink has slowly come off of that. Okay. Give it a minute to dry. Just going to make sure there's enough ink on the pen. Brilliant, okay. So baby it's cold outside. Don't forget the grammar. Mistletoe. So maybe around the edge again. Write the word mistletoe. So don't forget bounce calligraphy, think about up and down. Slow down a little bit. Mince pies. Just look at the word joy first. So we've got a little gap here, so I might just try to fit the word joy in there. Or what else can I fit in? Oh, fa la la might be quite a nice one. So up here. Always an easy modern calligraphy one to do. Could put a little star in there. I'm trying to think of what else I could fit in. I'm gonna pop a little joy in there. So if you're wondering what I'm doing, looking to the right, I've got a list of words that I'm trying to add. So I've got believe, got a nice little space here. So maybe if I write Yuletide along this bit here, might be quite nice. You can see I'm holding my pen a little bit differently because I don't want to be having my hand actually on the plate, making any mistakes. So make sure you've got quite good pen control here. It's a lovely surface to write on. It's nice and smooth. So Yuletide looks pretty cool. I've got mistletoe. I've done that. I've got mulled wine. So maybe I'll put a mulled wine up here and coming down the side. Don't forget to move your plate around a little bit if you need to. A little bit of flourishing if you fancy it. Mulled wine, getting somewhere now. Sleigh bells ring. Just keep an eye on that, spacing. Just keep an eye on how much ink I've got on my pen. Sometimes slower is a little bit better to help with the ink flow. Sleigh bells ring. Right, let's think of some other ones. Ho ho ho. We're going to pop ho ho ho. There we go, up here. Lovely. And the last one we're going to add is peace on earth. Take your time, help that flow coming out of the ink. Right, add a couple more things in it, so maybe I'm just going to use some sort of filler text. I'll pop a little merry. Christmas along here. Christmas. Now I think we're done. Like I have a tendency to overdo it a little bit and ruin my work, so I'm going to stop here now. You can. I think that's pretty cool. You know, we add a little. I call them like sort of filler graphics, so a couple of little dots around. Dots are quite good to add. You know, if you, again, with these ones you can get a fine liner version, so I probably use a finer pen to do some sort of illustrations of maybe holly or a star or some wreaths if you wanted to. I'm just going to do the dots for now because I know if I did anything else with this, there's a huge chance that I'm going to ruin the work that I've already done. So usually like 3 little dots together are quite cute. You can, you know, go over this area here, you can kind of flourish around here if you wanted to, and just sort of looking at any space that I've got. You know, we don't want it to be too childish, we want it to look a little bit professional. So there we go, it's a little Christmas plate that's perfect for mince pies, things for Santa. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Again, if you do this tutorial, love to see what you do. Tag me at Wildsea Calligraphy. Again, please like, share and subscribe. I love to see, you know, that people actually enjoy what I'm doing. So thank you. Bye bye.